What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do another experiment with our test fender. On yesterday's video I went ahead and showed you guys the white on white pearl, which came out spectacular. But after that I went ahead and showed you guys what would happen if we added some colored pearl over white base. So let me go ahead and flip the camera. Okay, so here's the fender. And this was what came out after spraying some sapphire blue over the white. So it kind of has this little light blue color to it, and it doesn't look that bad. But if you want a blue pearl effect, not like this, kind of slightly change the color, you're gonna want some ghost pearls, which is what we're gonna try today. We're gonna spray some ghost pearls. Over here, this is what happened when we sprayed it over the black base. So with the black base, you can see the color more, which is what that pearl wanted, a black base, and then with the sapphire blue, and it changes the color. So like I said, it kind of changed the color on this one because it wasn't meant for a white base. But today we're gonna go ahead and spray some ghost pearls, and let me show you. Okay, so for the base coat, we're going to go ahead and spray some RUSTOLEUM. This is Blossom White and Satin, and these have been working pretty good. And for the pearl, we're going to use this. This is Ghost Blue by Eye Candy Pigments. So this, you can see how this is a white pearl, but with the sun, you'll see that it changes into a blue color. So that way it doesn't change the white base coat that we add onto the fender because the powder is white, but it does give you that blue effect that we're after. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and just begin by sanding this fender and get it ready for some paint. Here's the fender. So I went ahead and sprayed one more coat off camera just to even out the surface and get rid of any tiger striping. And as usual, this section of the fender over here, I went ahead and sprayed some black. That way whenever we spray the pearl over here, we'll go ahead and spray it over there as well. And just out of curiosity, see what comes out. So I'm going to go ahead and just mix up the clear coat. This fender has been drying for about 10 to 15 minutes, give or take. So I'm going to mix the clear coat and add some pearl. So let's go ahead and do that. For the clear coat, I will be using the Besney, which I found on eBay for a very good price. This is a urethane high solids clear coat, which mixes 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. And I have been using this clear coat for the past few videos and it's been proven really good. So I'll go ahead and leave the links in the description for this one as well. So here's our Ghost Blue Pearl by Eye Candy Pigments. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is a new bottle. Nice. We're going to go ahead and add one of these teaspoons. Okay, so I am using the Spectrum HTE with the 1.3 tip from Harbor Freight, adjusted at 28 psi with 2.5 turns of fluid. All right, so it looks like the weather got kind of cloudy, and it's kind of drizzling right now. So I was hoping there'd be like sun out so I can show you guys the fender in direct sunlight. But nonetheless, there's some good natural lighting right now, so I'll go ahead and show you guys. And for now, I'm gonna put off the ghost pearls and just work on something else like color shift pearls or other colored pigments. That way I can still give you guys some good content, and when the sun comes back out, because it's gonna be like this, I'm thinking like this whole week coming up. So once the sun comes back out, we'll continue working with the pearls, and that way you guys can have a really nice view of them. So let me go ahead and just flip the camera for now and show you what it looks like. All right, so here it is. So it's still a beautiful fender, very nice pearl blue. On certain angles you'll still see that it's just white, but when lighting hits it, and like I said, I was hoping that sun would come out, that way you guys can see the pearl. I've got the flashlight right now, so I'll check it. But you can still see the blue pearl on it. And over here, daytime, the ghost blue over a black base. So this really colored it. You see the whole color of the pearl, which it didn't affect the white. So if you want to have a nice clean white fender with just a little color effect, ghost pearls is the ones you need. That way it doesn't actually make your white dirty, and still keep it white and still have that blue effect. Let me see if this thing, here's the light, and you see the color. So you still see the blue in there. And so yeah, once the sun comes back out, we'll continue working with the ghost pearls. So let me give you guys a night view of what the fender looks like. Alright, so here's a night of the video during the fender. No, wait. Here's a video of the fender during the night. There you go. So I'm not even using the headband light, and I'll turn it on. But there's the color. You can real easily tell on the white that the blue is there, and it's such a beautiful color. So during the day when the sun hits it, that's what you'll see. Such a beautiful color. This is the ghost blue color. And over here in the bottom with the black base, also such a beautiful color right here. But if you're looking for any color, pretty much any pearl over black would give you that color. But if you're looking to have white on your car, and keep it white, but at the same time get an effect during the day like such, ghost pearls are the way to go. And it doesn't stain the color of the white of your base coat, so you can still keep a white and have such beautiful effect on it. And there's many colors aside from this battery's going low. There's many colors aside from blue. There's violet, gold, greens, reds, and I'll keep on demonstrating some of these in more videos. So you guys just subscribe to the channel and just keep watching. Leave some comments. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful or at least entertaining, hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more. I'm gonna leave the links to these pearls in the description, or pin it in the top comment so you guys can find them and check them out. They're from Eye Candy Pigments, and huge thanks to Jeff Bergman for allowing me to try these pearls out. Such beautiful colors, and I'm gonna be experimenting with more, like I said, color ships, probably coming up next. And so yeah, highly recommended pearls. And I had also mentioned there was a car event. There's like a car show here local in town, and I think it's just to get the community together and create an event. But I did either want to take my car, and my car I had painted it also with the Eye Candy Pigments, the Baku Red. But so either I take my car or I'll take my truck. I'm not too sure yet whether to enlist my car or just go in as a guest. But before that, I kind of wanted to do like something to it, because it's been at least a year since I haven't changed the color of my car. So everybody in town knows the color already. So I just wanted to surprise people with a brand new look. So just a thought, guys. Leave me some comments what you guys think about the fender. And that's gonna be it. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.